The first nominee for the Otto Moensted Foundation's 2019 MAID Award is Mads Bijlegaard. Mads is a MAID postdoc at Aalborg University. Mads's project falls within MAID Digital's work with intelligent supply chains. In working with Schouwing Maskinfabrik, Mads has demonstrated how product, process, and production configuration in an engineering-to-order environment is not only feasible, but that it can significantly reduce the cost and lead time of customized solutions. Mads has demonstrated that customers can order a customized product, after which price calculations and blueprints are automatically produced using a digital twin of the product. The jury places special value on Mads's exemplary cooperation with the employees of Schouwing Maskinfabrik and his strong publication record. The second nominee is Seaman Mathiasen. Seaman is a MAID postdoc at the University of Southern Denmark. Seaman's project falls within MAID Digital's work with automation with collaborative robots. Vibratory part feeders are a key component in many automation applications. In Danish manufacturing, bowl feeders are common, and Siemens' project seeks to automate the design of these feeders, eliminating the costly process of manual trial and error. The jury has been especially impressed by the disruptive potential of Siemens' work and commends his innovative approach, which demonstrates the viability of automation in low-batch production. The third nominee is Nikolaos. Nikolaos is a MAID PhD at the Technical University of Denmark. Nikolaos' project falls within MAID Spear's work with 3D print and new production processes. Quality assurance is a daunting task for any manufacturer that produces thousands of items per hour. Nikolaos has designed, developed, constructed, validated, and put into operation a prototype injection molding tool with advanced process and product quality control capabilities. The jury is highly impressed by Nikolaos' pioneering work in real-time process and product monitoring technology, and equally impressed that the technology was validated in an industrial environment. And the fourth nominee is Martin Lucca. Martin is an industrial postdoc at the Technical University of Denmark. Martin's project falls within MAID Digital's work with digital design. Program-wide modularization and standardization of production and product families holds the potential for huge bottom-line savings for large and small manufacturing companies alike. But historically, there have been few tools and methods available for practical implementation. Martin's project addresses this gap. Through collaborations with Grundfos and Mønsted, Martin has created and validated methods for determining the optimal number of architectures across product and production domains. Additionally, he has defined ways to assess the financial impact and rationalization potential of these efforts. The jury has placed special value on the fact that Martin has applied his methods and achieved significant results in dissimilar companies.